Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam here from the Elite Tigers Group with the launch of our latest site, adexchangeleads.com. It's number 16 from the Elite Tigers, and look, there's our very own Elite Tiger there in the background. So what is the big difference with adexchangeleads.com? Well, for the very first time, we are paying you for each and every member that you recruit. That's right. Even if you recruit free members and you're a free member yourself, you will get paid for each member that you recruit. Now, it starts off smaller if you're a free member, but it does go up. So you get a couple of cents for each member that you recruit to start with. So when you get to 5, you will have earned 10 cents. But then we give you a bonus. So once you get to 10, you get another 20 cents in total. And then once you get to 20, it's 50 cents. And once you get to 50, it's $2. So that will have been $2.80 that you will have earned as a free member just for recruiting those members, regardless of whether they buy anything. Now, obviously, if they upgrade, you get paid that on top as well. Yeah. So this is a real incentivized site where we are paying you to do the recruiting that you would normally do anyway. Now, as an upgraded member, there are lots of extras that you can also get, as well as 90% commissions for our top upgrade. That's the rate that we normally pay for our top upgrade of VIP in the Elite Tigers Group. You will also get a much higher rate for recruiting members. So you can earn, for your first 20 that you bring in, a total of $5. Now, most of our top recruiters bring that in, so that's an extra little incentive for you. And if you get up to 50, which a lot of people do, then you will have earned a total of $28 for bringing in those 50 members, even if they never buy anything, just for bringing them on board. So there's a real incentive for you to absolutely outdo your previous recruiting efforts with this site, because you are going to get paid for every single member that you recruit. As usual, there are loads of other reasons to join. All of our sites convert really well as brilliant ad exchanges. You can get lots of the top quality solo ads inside, banner ads, text ads, login ads and full page ads. It's all inside, and they will convert as well as all of the sites do in the Elite Tigers Group. And you should also check out underneath the sites that your sponsor is recommending. It's always good to have a look at what your sponsor is recommended and check out those sites as well. But then once you've done that, if you fill in the box underneath, sign up, and then you'll be taken through to the excellent one-time offer. Do check it out, because where you earn the serious money here is as an upgraded member, and our upgrades are very good value indeed. So do check that out, and it's great to see you here, and I'll see you on the inside.